Good evening and welcome to the show. I'm your host now, Mungaro. Karibuni sana. This is Cook and Dine. I hope you missed me because I terribly missed you guys. Karibuni tena. Today we are going to make something very simple yet very a bit not an everyday recipe, but very nice for you want to surprise your friends, or you want to go out there for a drink, or you want to have your girlfriends in your house and you want them to have a snack. This is your ideal recipe. Take notes, guys. So how have you been? How is everything? Make sure you talk to me pale Facebook page at Lolwe Tv, Twitter Lolwe Tv, and of course Instagram at Lolwe Tv. If you have a friend who's not around or is on a move, tell them to subscribe to our channel, and they'll get to see other recipes. And of course they will go straight to our website and they can stream this show right now. End up at www.lolwetv/live and you will get to watch the show. So straight on to the show. Leo napika some nice wings, some really nice hot and sweet wings, but the chili is not a lot. So we have our mixture. So here we have some tomato puree, or you can use tomato paste, or don't use tomato juice, but just use whatever you actually prefer. I normally make my own marinating mixture. So I've already marinated this one. So I'm gonna show you with a few pieces that I had left behind. Acha tu nitumie hii plate. But yeah, so we have our lemon, of course, our chicken, which is already marinated with the mixture of different spices. Of course, all grinded, fully grinded. Utaki kuwa na some ile feeling ya ini black pepper or whatever. So that one, honey, lemon, salt, and of course it's going to be served by some salad. But the salad is not necessary. But for now, since we are not having that type of chilling mode, we'll serve it with some, of course, some salad. Yes. So as I said before, I had mixed that one earlier. So this one is perfect. But I want to show you how I mixed it. So unakoroga too, actually. You just koroga it. So let me just put a little at first. Someone will say, mimi huwa napata heartburn kwa sababu ya a lot of tomato. Don't worry, you can use barbecue sauce, you can use all those other sauces, but normally me napenda whatever enters my chicken or whatever I'm cooking, I normally make it because it's cost effective. And another thing, you can use this mixture to make some other recipe. Like you can use this to actually make some side sauce and enjoy that. So naona ni kidogo sana. I had placed some oil on it, just to make it stick nicely to our nyama. So hapa you just use your hand, don't be shy. Just this is Africa. Even eating, we eat with our hands. So yeah, then you leave it for like an hour or even plus. You can even leave it overnight, and of course inaendelea tu kujivisha all the way. So I'm gonna put this here, then I'm gonna get a serviette, or I can actually just wipe my hands using one of my 2 towels. And then so I'm gonna turn on our motor for the pan. I won't say deep fry, but dry the chicken. Make sure ime karangwa vizuri sana. So mafuta kwa wingi kabisa. Mafuta kwa wingi. Yeah, I think that's fine. I'm gonna cover this up and then work on our spinach. So yeah, that's fine. Over there. Make sure your work area is really clean, because COVID is real, and cross-contamination and food poisoning is also real. So make sure you don't mix your raw food with ready-made food, because you don't want your cross-contamination. Sivyo ndo inamaanisha. Someone correct me please. Go on our YouTube channel go on our social media platforms, go on our Facebook. Yes, go on our Facebook, follow us, and give out a shout out. Oh yes, challenge on you today. So nitakatakata big chunks, just nice sliced baby spinach. And as you can see, our salad is not that busy. So that's what I wanted to do. Niweke hapo. And our oil is heating up very, very fast. I'm gonna put this here. And because I don't want to touch the meat again, but you can see, wow, look at this. This is like, it has settled really nicely. Looks very, very nice. So yeah, actually at the end I'm gonna fry the sauce, then we use it like, you know, some a side sauce. You will see how that's gonna work. But I'm just turning it more ndo iendelee tu ku mix very nicely. Wow, and it's smelling very, really, really nice, guys. Nataka kuonja mafuta bado. Oh, looks like the table is a bit bended, so let me just put something here at the bottom to, what's the word, levelize it. Is it levelizing or just making it more balanced? It's better like that. So as our mafuta is under layering and it's getting hot, guys, talk to me. Earlier on, someone asked me why would you go all the way and making your own mixture of making your own sauce. Can I say sauce? So making your own mixture of marinating your chicken or your meat. You can use this same recipe also for your mutton, for your beef, of course. The rib lovers will be like, yo, that goes for a rib. So if you are into pork, this is your ideal recipe. So take notes, guys. So someone was asking me, why would someone decide to take mix all this, and you can get it ready made. As I said earlier, it's cost effective, and if you mix this, you kind of spend less money on your ingredients, one, and two, imagine ukinunua hiyo mixture, umenunua hadi na hiyo chupa. Kinda, if you do your calculation nicely, you've bought even the kachupa. So yo, my mafuta is ready, and because I am scared of moto, I'm just making sure and it's smelling so nice, guys, so very nice. Waoga, wapishi waoga. I'm really scared of oil because I got burnt once. It was not a nice feeling. So high fire, like, I mean full motor at this point, because we want our chicken to get ready, not so fast, but get ready in good time. Because remember, this is a chop recipe, and you want to spend less time in your kitchen and all. So yeah, and also you have to be really careful because of the chicken makes the oil pop up a lot. And do not worry about this burnt bit, because it's not going to affect your kuku at all. As I said earlier, be very careful, because At this point, hii mafuta inaruka kabisa. Inaruka kabisa. You can see it's popping up all the way, all the way. As that is getting ready, woo, wow. As that is getting ready, I'm gonna put our spinach, of course. And because we want it to simmer, I'm gonna put a very little oil into our pan or our pot. Very, very little, like that much, just a pinch. If there's a pinch of water, that's some bad English, but there's not like pinch of water, but just, you get what I mean. Very little water. Then unaweka your carrots, your Chinese onions, and of course your French peas. Hapo unaweka, inaendelea kuiva vizuri. Now I can clean my work area. You know what they say, cleanliness is next to goldiness. Goldiness. I always get it wrong. I always get it wrong. But yeah. I'll just put some salt into our salad, not just for taste. And of course, nakoroga vizuri sana. As you can see, our water has dried up. And then we're gonna turn our chicken, of course. Just turn it just a bit on the other side. Make sure your fire is really low. You don't want it to burn. Trust me, these things burn so fast. But yeah. And that is almost ready. Put this here and then continue turning my vegetables, because mine were really a bit hard. Yeah, they've taken a bit long, but the point is they have to get ready. We don't eat raw vegetables at this point. Which is possible because a salad is raw. But for this one, we are steaming them up all the way. I haven't added more water, so hiyo maji niliweka ya kwanza is still the same till now. Chicken is almost ready for serving, so I'll just get my work area a bit clean. No? Just turn them a bit. Turn them just a bit more. So we want them to get ready, like really nicely cooked. I'll turn off my vegetables, and it looks like it's mulo time. Because that keeps on cooking. I'm gonna serve our vegetables just here on the side. And if you guys know me, I love spinach, so I'm just trying to get all the spinach into my cup plate. There you go. And then we're gonna go back to our kuku. I believe this is ready. This is actually ready. So I'm gonna turn off my mafuta because I have no more chicken to make. I'm gonna serve straight from the pot, guys. So there you go. I'm gonna put our serving. Remove that. So we're gonna get our lemon. Get our lemon. Slice it. Of course, remove the seeds where you can. And just serve it with both the lemon. And guys, there you go. Then I'm gonna, because I'm gonna add some, honey. Look at that. Yay. And voila, the chicken iko tayari. So you can have that as like a dinner. You can have it as a snack. You can just have the chicken as a snack. And of course, I would love to have just the chicken. You can have this with ugali. You can have this with some sauce. You make some sauce and rice. You can have it with rice. Excuse me. You can have it with literally mashed potatoes. You can have it with anything. So this is a recipe, or rounded recipe, I would say, that suits everyone. If you don't like, and it's the one of the healthiest, because everything is literally from the soko. So unaweza pata hizi vitu zote. Remember, your ingredients are your vegetables, so it depends on what you want to have in your vegetables. I had carrots, I had spinach, and of course I had my onions, and of course the French peas. Yes. And then now we have our lemon. Really, really simple, direct to the point, and very, very easy to prepare. Guys, you have to try this recipe. So for now, I'm gonna taste, guys, as usual. So it's always an honor. So I'm just gonna have a bite of this. Oh, the honey is everything. It's so nice, guys. Make sure you try this. And of course, you can have it with the lemon. Oh yeah. So, guys, the lemon, the sugar, and of course the marination sauce is just imeingiana. I would say imeingiana really nicely. Guys, make sure you follow us on our social media platform. Make sure you follow us on our social media platforms. Pala YouTube at Lolwe TV, Facebook at Lolwe TV, Twitter at Lolwe TV, and of course Instagram at Lolwe TV. Send us those pictures. Tell us what you want to see next, and we'll definitely try it here in our kitchen. Of course, in our open kitchen up at Lolwe TV. Keep it tuned. Keep it locked on Lolwe TV, because there are many other shows coming up to this. But for now, I gotta go. But next week, tuko na wewe tena. So cheers and happy cooking. See you guys.